What's the meaning of compensation? Compensation. Compensation.
Compensation. Compensation. Compensation refers to something, typically money, given or received in recognition of loss, suffering, or injury. It is a way of making up for or balancing out a negative impact or event. The goal of compensation is to restore the affected person or group to a position as close to their original state as possible, whether it be financial, emotional, or physical. Compensation can also refer to payment or benefits received by an employee in exchange for their work, or to adjustments made to account for differences in value or performance.